I'm going light on screws because I'm running out of screws and I don't feel like putting all of this stuff back into the storage unit just to run out and get a few screws. I can do that afterwards. Oh, I'm a huge idiot. I forgot I was having it sitting on top of that board back there. So it's shorter. I don't know. Now that fits. been a couple of weeks and I've gotten a few more loads of wood to help me get all the long pieces needed for that shelf. I also got this door, so that's cool. But I think I have just enough wood done to finish the bottom row of lumber. So I should go back to there, and now I have a platform that I can set stuff on top of, so that's cool. Well, the first layer is done. I think I might keep it at that for a little while, and that way I can put a bunch of this stuff up there. It's taking me a little bit longer than I expected because it was running really hot outside. However, I might put up more wood. I don't know. It's like 90 degrees or fucking hot. Not the temperature it should be in spring. But oh well, I'm really happy with this, and I'm really happy with my lumber, which now I know I can use for my shed. So I'm going to be starting to drop the diagrams for that pretty soon, and the schematics or whatever it's called, and should have that wood used up pretty soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!